So when all the sticky spaces in your window are all filled with tissue paper, you're ready for step 4, and you're gonna need this other piece of contact paper. And what you're gonna do is peel that backing just a little bit to get started. And this is, the sticky side is gonna go down on your project. So you still should have a sticky border happening here. And then we're gonna put the sticky down on top so the two sticky sides will sandwich together and your paper will be sealed inside. Okay, again, take your time. Be very careful with this. What I like to do is just get that edge peeled back first. And then I'm gonna stick that down. Right at the top of the project. Then lay it out. See, my backing is still on there, so lay it out, stretch it out, and make sure that it covers your window. And then you can get in there and grab that backing and pull it out as you rub the sticky side down. This is probably a step for grown-ups if you have a helper, or maybe a big sibling, big brother or sister, okay? Because it is a little tricky. If you get some bubbles in there, no big deal. Try your best to push them towards the edge. Notice I have a wrinkle right there. It's okay. This is the back side of our project anyway, so it's not that big a deal, but do your best to get the bubbles out if you have any. And just try to rub, 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 rub to get all of it nice and stuck together. Okay, when you have that, you're ready for step 5.